This is Tax Attorney Parag Patel speaking about the Streamlined Filing Compliance Procedures, specifically the IRS website that details this particular program. It's an excellent program. Our office has had great success with this program over the years. We've filed hundreds of clients through this program, and it has been very successful for clients that have non-compliance with respect to foreign accounts. Now, the purpose is basically, they highlight in the website that this is for individuals to be able to certify that their failure to report certain foreign financial assets and pay all tax due did not result from willful conduct. It's designed for the people to basically amend their returns and resolve their tax and penalties on a satisfactory basis. For people that live here in the United States, it's a 5% penalty. For people who live outside the United States, it's a 0% penalty. So it's a fantastic program. It's very important to go through the eligibility requirements here. The eligibility requirements are very specifically detailed here on this website. I wanted to go through the most important ones. The taxpayer must certify that they're not willful. They use a form. It's either 14654 or 14653, which are the two forms, and they basically need to specify in detail, and you'll see that the question asks for, tell us the whole story. Whole story is literally part of the question that they ask. Very unusual that the IRS uses such type of terminology as if people are telling stories, but I guess they want to know what happened and how this non-compliance started. So that's how you explain the non-willfulness. In our experience, it's best to not only demonstrate non-willfulness, but also demonstrate the lack of willful factors. We are extremely comprehensive in this advocacy to show that you're not willful. And you'll see that the definition is non-willful conduct is one that's due to negligence, inadvertence, mistake, or conduct that's a result of the good faith misunderstanding of the requirements of the law. Most people fall into this situation now. And in my experience, that most people just misunderstand the law. The law is, very few people understand international tax law, and people don't understand the requirement for global reporting of foreign accounts. And they just think that maybe it's because they report in the foreign country or pay tax in the foreign country, it's all good. That's obviously misunderstanding. And we go through that in the advocacy. The taxpayer can't be subject to a civil exam basically under audit. And taxpayers eligible to use a stream who have previously filed amended returns must pay the previous penalty assessments. And last, you need to have a tax ID number. So it's important to go through these basic eligibility requirements. In my experience, most people fall into this eligibility, and it's as I said, a very good program for people to use to try to clean up any past non-compliance. So this is a great program. Feel free to contact us if we can be of further assistance. We'll be happy to discuss your case with you. And I hope this video is helpful to you all.